What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we're gonna jump around a little bit because I forgot to film an intro for this video. So we're gonna work on the Terracan today, but that brings me to another point. We have a sponsor for today's video. So today's video is sponsored by emanualonline. emanualonline is the home of over 2.5 million high-quality service and repair manuals, essentially the same used by professionals and technicians in dealerships worldwide. They cover troubleshooting procedures, maintenance schedules, step-by-step service and replacement instructions, wiring diagrams, basically everything you need to fix pretty much any issue on anything. And guys, today I'm actually using them because, like I mentioned, the Terracan has an issue where the turn signals don't work and the hazards don't work. So I needed a schematic to figure out what's going on with that and how to get it fixed. So this came at the perfect timing to get the car fixed. And yeah, with the skilled trades program coming up too, I'm gonna work on a bunch of cars. I'm gonna need repair manuals. So this is awesome. And I was happy to know that, they had a repair manual for a Hyundai Terracan, not something available in the States. So yeah, millions of manuals, like I said. So let's hop into it. All right, so I've got these e-manuals downloaded on my phone, which is kind of nice and convenient for having them going around with me. So I'm going to select this manual here and here. I happen to know that this is where the body electrical system is. And so as you can see here, there's 101 pages of body electrical stuff. And we're going to scroll on down. You got all sorts of troubleshooting. Okay, didn't know this, but learned this by going through here. So apparently, you look here, you look at under adjustment, it says operate the horn and adjust the tone to a suitable level by turning the adjusting screw. Didn't know that you could adjust the tone of the horn on a Hyundai Terracan. Apparently you can. Wouldn't have known that without this manual. But let's keep going. Okay, so here, this is what I'm looking for. Flasher unit. Remove the flasher unit from the relay box. The relay box is under the dash on the driver's side kick panel. So let's pull that out. See if I can set you guys up to where you can see what I got going on here. All right. Oh, I feel it. All right. There we go. Got it out. All right. So it has these two little tabs that hold it in. So this is probably what's bad, according to what the manual says. So we need a replacement. All right, got a replacement. Thank you, Amazon. And it's a genuine OEM. Is it actually though? Oh yeah. I don't know why they've got it covered up, but if I peel this little sticker off, genuine Hyundai and Kia parts. So, pull it out of the box here. Compare it to our original. Looks the same to me. All right. Oh yeah, it's actually got, you see it, Hyundai logo on it, so that's cool. All right, let's throw this in here, see if it works. You stay here, I'm gonna crawl under the dash. Oh, the only thing that manuals don't make easier is make you fit under a dash of a car. Okay. Oh, as simple as that. Clicked into place. Oh, climb back. Oh. Now, let's see if we have turn signals and hazards, because I really want my hazards. All right, turn the key on. And before, when we hit the hazards, nothing worked. Oh, and I can already see it. See it, the reflection. Hey. We got hazards. Side marker lights flashing. And awesome. Let's see if we have turn signals. Reach in, turn these off. And yep, I can already see it reflecting up there. And back there. Side right. Yep. Awesome. Well, that's cool. So, electro problem fixed. Thank you, emanualonline. So I mentioned I plan on doing a few things to it. I'm gonna remove the steps here. They're kind of loose anyways. I don't like them. They kind of get in your way getting in and out of the car because you kind of gotta step around them. I'm gonna take those off. I might take this off. I actually plan on putting a lift kit on it. You can do like a 2-inch suspension lift and a 2-inch body lift. I want to get some bigger, beefier tires for it because the roads are so hard on tires here. If you've been following along, you know that we've had a bunch of nails and screws in the tires of our other car. My wife doesn't like it, but I want to get a snorkel. They sell a factory snorkel. So I'm gonna put a snorkel on it, add like a roof kind of basket, roof rack to it. Yeah, just make it kind of a, I hate the term overlander, but kind of an overlander because some of the areas that we get into, they're a bit rough as far as the terrain. So yeah, having something that's a little bit more capable. I want to put, equip it with like jumper cables, tire repair stuff, maybe even like a snatch strap. Maybe a basic little toolkit to where, if I got to fix this or fix something else, I can. I've also toyed around with the idea of, once I get a welder, also getting a generator that can run the welder. And then if we're out in somewhere remote and something's broken in one of the villages, I can fire up the generator, fire up the welder, and fix some stuff up that way too. So it's going to be kind of an all-purpose rig that I want to just use to help with the ministry and be able to get in and out of places with ease. So guys, definitely follow along and stay tuned because we're gonna be doing some work on this. All right, first things first, I'm gonna get these steps pulled up here. Like I mentioned, they're falling off anyways. I think it's just a couple bolts. Let's see here. I can see that one's kind of rusted out. Yeah, just here and here, and I think that's it, just those 2 bolts. And it's got, I think, 3 different little brackets. See, one right there, this one, and that one right there. So I'm gonna get these pulled off here. I think that already looks 10 times better. All right, let's get this other side off.
It's not loose.
It's not. We have to unbolt it. All right, I'm also gonna see if I can't take this front guard off. I'm not a huge fan of it. I do want to remount the lights though after I get it off. So I see a bolt here and here. see if they work. Nice. I think they flash when you first turn them on, and then you can turn it off, turn back on, and they stop flashing. Feel like 2 modes. Yep. Cool. All right, sorry for the shaky video, but you're mounted on the windshield because I'm driving. So I am going right now to Chimaltenango to try and get some new tires for the Terracan because they're really bad. And then, yeah, I'm not sure how much I can video. I'll try, but I also want to be respectful too. So, yeah, here we go. The rest can all be done by hand if you didn't have a machine. But that part you need something to get it broken off of the rim. All right, so as you saw, tires are on. I'll turn the camera on here in a second and give you a good look at them. They are some Sumacs all-terrain ATs. So it is a 265/70 16, which is about 1.5 inches taller than the factory tire. Pretty aggressive tread pattern. But I drove home and they're not super noisy, which is good. So they do just barely touch this mud flat back here, so I can remove that and that should take care of any of the rubbing. But yeah, I'm happy with the way it looks. And the white letter out was not my choice. I didn't have a choice. So in the States, I worked in a tire place for a little while, and if the tire came, you know, if it had the option of white letter or white wall, you always ask the customer, you know, you want white letter out, white wall out, or black wall. But here, from what I can tell, white letter tires, super popular. And so they just automatically assumed that I wanted white letter out. I mean, I'm not opposed to it, but I found that kind of funny. But yeah, really happy with the way it looks. Yeah, those other tires were bald, like not safe to be driving in the rain or pretty much anywhere. So yeah, got these tires for, I think for all four was under $400, which is not bad at all for a tire of that size. So yeah, it's coming along. Well guys, there you have it. The Terracan is looking so much better. Got the new tires on it. Got those accessories ripped off of it that I didn't like. Got working turn signals now, working hazards. So this thing's ready to go. Stay tuned, got more plans for it. Guys, there's a link down below to emanualonline. Click on it, it gets you a 20% discount, and it helps the channel out. So guys, appreciate it if you would visit them. Like I said, millions and millions of manuals. I am for sure going to be using them on most of my projects. So check them out. Drop any questions or comments down below, and tune in next time.